Good morning guys! Today is our last day here at Hong Kong. Mamayang gabi, we have a flight going to Phuket at tulog pa yung mga kasama kong dalawa. Ako lang, asawa ko gising. Ayun, tinatakpan ko ulit yung aking hindi kaya-ayang score ng pimple ko. Quarter 10 na pala guys. We are now going out. Bibili kami ng makakain sa labas, lunchtime kasi wala kaming breakfast. So, ayun. Kaya diretso na kami mag-lunch. Kasama ko lang si Mother Nature.
Dugay mo good na nga wake up good mo ni mo. Mo na ni Ron.
Yan tong outfit ko. Pak! So, ito pala yung entrance, other entrance ng hotel na sinistayhan namin sa Dorset One Chai. Ang ganda. Instagrammable siya guys. Tapos super friendly yung ano nila dito, in fairness. Itong building na to. Bababa kami guys. And then, accessible din tong hotel na to kasi malapit lang siya sa mga bus stop at saka sa MTR guys. Jollibee magti-take out for lunch namin. So, ito yung order. Ito yung Jollibee nila here. So, nag-take away na lang kami dyan. Ito yung order namin. We are now here at the airport, guys. Nora-honor. Tamunin yung dagway, bitch. Hong Kong Airport. We have a 9 p.m. flight going to Phuket. Yeah, it will be around 3 hours and 30 minutes. Pupunta doon. Uy, thank you. It's mine. So, yeah. Nandito kami. Dinner muna kami kasi now it's around 8 pa. Ito kami sa Bite and Bite with Lion Friends. Ito yung food namin. Puro kami milk tea. Wala pa yung order sa kanila. We are now on board, guys. We occupied all the, anong tawag nun? All the exit row seats. Nandito yung kapatid ko. Oh, nandito yung kapatid ko. Separate namin. Good morning guys! Today it is our first day here at Phuket. Yeah, sorry hindi ako nakapag-vlog when we arrived here sa hotel kasi midnight na kaming dumating and then from international airport going to Karon, it took us like around 40 to 45 minutes. Almost an hour pala talaga siya. So ayun, kami yung pinaka-late nag-check-in kagabi ay kaninang madaling araw ayun at saka splack right away. 9 a.m. in the morning, so we're gonna go down kasi magbe-breakfast kami, free breakfast kasi dito. At mamaya na ako mag-room tour, guys. So, breakfast na kami, third floor yung breakfast nila dito. Ang ganda ng ano nila, hotel itself. Kasi everything is white. Tapos may ano dito, na-preserve nila yung mga kahoy dito. Ganda. Gusto na sa likod. Oh, hindi ako. Light. Grabe, lainan kayo ko. Breakfast na lang. Try it out and open. Ito yung restaurant breakfast nila. In front siya ng pool nila. Third floor kami. Saya. Part 2. We are now going to Afternoon City Tour, guys. 1 p.m. So, ando na yung tour guide sa baba. We are now here at the car, guys. Tatlo lang kami. So, we have our tour guide here. We're so near.
We can build a tree house in the pine trees. We can keep our secrets buried underneath. Wildflowers crouch between your fingers, clinging to the wild things I raised us. Come
here at the top now. Yung mga prayers nyo, pwede nyo ilagay dito. You can pray and mag-grant daw.
point you home, calling out from the east. Compass point you anywhere closer to me. If we make it out alive from the depths of the sea. Compass point you anywhere closer to me.
city tour namin. Parang temple to siya, guys. Ang bait ng tour guide namin. Balik na kami sa hotel, guys. We're staying pala here at the Icon Hotel in Karon. So, nag-stop by kami sa 7-Eleven. Hindi na kami nakapunta doon sa parang last stop namin na overview, Trivanas. Kasi sobrang umulan nga siya, guys. Sobrang umulan. Ngayon lang medyo nawala. Supposed to be din, we're gonna go sa yung Karon Beach nila. Yun. Ay, bulilyaso yung plano. So, nag-stop by kami sa 7-Eleven. Bumili kami ng mga snacks at bumili kami ng noodles kasi nagutom kami. Kasi nga, what you call that? We usually breakfast lang kinakain namin. Tapos, hindi kami nagla-lunch. Tapos, early dinner lang. Ayun. Yan, pinagluluto ko yung kapatid ko. Luto talaga.
Pinagluluto mo ako. Ako yung nagluluto para sa'yo.
Pinagluluto ako ng kapatid ko. Oh. Bumili kami ng 2 noodles sa 7-Eleven nila dito. Titikman namin. So, quick room tour dito sa hotel namin, guys. So, we are staying Icon Hotel in Karon. Ito ay, we are actually in the higher floor. Parang last floor nila. Side is mga, mga coffee and stuff. Ayan. Ito pala yung binili namin doon sa 7-Eleven. Pasensya na sa aming kalat, ng aming luggage. And then, meron silang king size bed dito at saka kami ng extra bed para sa kapatid ko. Both side, meron silang parang table andyan. Yung toilet nila, super maganda yung toilet nila, guys, kasi marble siya. Ayan. Ayan, marble yung toilet nila. Malaki din yung toilet nila, guys. And then, they have a balcony. Meron din tayong malaki, medyo sofa dyan. Meron tayong balcony dito, overviewing sa sea. Ayan, sa ocean. Tapos, ito na yung highway. Ito na yung highway nila. Ayan, yung balcony. Naglaba pala ako kanina, guys. So, we ordered pineapple fried rice ng kapatid ko. We're gonna share this one lang.
Boom.
Yan pala yung spring rolls na kinain na namin. At saka pad thai yung sa asawa ko. So, we're done dinner, guys. Balik na kami ng room namin. Ang ganda ng mga walling nila pang Instagram talaga, guys. Dito din, mga bullet. I will say good night now, guys. Kasi tomorrow early kami. Meron kaming island hopping, which is called the James Bond. So, I'll see you around to our island hopping. Bye! Please don't forget to subscribe!